Okay, to share an event as your page, as your business page, is pretty simple, providing two things. First, that your Facebook page as join that group as a page, and second, that you have administrator or editors roles to that page. I have videos on that. For the roles, you want the administrator to go into settings, page roles, to set you up, and to join a group as your page, you have to request to join at that page, and not every group would let you join as a page. So please watch my video. That being said, once those criteria are met, you will see on the top of the page, you will have the option to interact as the business or as your personal profile. Depending on what you choose, you will have different kind of powers. So in this case, I'm interacting as the page, which is what we're trying to do, is share an event as a page as opposed to as a person. So if I scroll down to that business up to this event post that we have, if I go here under share, you will see it will say share to a page or share to a group. If I decide to share to a page, I will be able to share this event to a page that I am administrator or editor of. So I'll show you what it looks like. In this case, I'm an administrator of several business pages because I run an agency. This is why you see all these pages. But maybe you're just the administrator of one other page or business entity. In this case, you'll just see one, or you won't see that option at all. But for most of us, what's going to matter is how to share to a group as your business. So if I go here, what I have as an option is this group, because this is the only group that this business page has joined. So I can go into here and I could write a public post and saying free information session and so on. Okay, and I could share this here and it would post under that post. I'm not going to do it because in this case it's a group about a job board, but this is where I would share it. Okay, what I'm going to show you is if I switch it here, I can switch it as my personal profile, and then you'll see I have way more option because Facebook likes people to be kind of behind the action. So if I click share here, all of a sudden it says, do you want to share to your feed, to Messenger? Do you want to share it to a page or to a group or a friend's timeline? So all of a sudden I have way more options. And if I decide share to a group, I see all the groups that I'm personally on. If I decide to share this information, I will see the post of the business, but my name is going to be attached to it. If you have any questions, please write them down in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you get notified when there's any news and update. And for more information, you can go to catherineaird.ca. Thank you.